phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So
okay, what are you that Nyankopon ase say and then so or they actually view na yetime ada sorry ama ahoden ewo ho moja di mu ofrusane katrama so ada bodwem eno na yede ehon na ase e ma twedi ampon Nyankopon se wadom aboaye ama bibia akoyi ede amaye enen so eye eda erade aye yede aye COVID-19 ho update ede ebrew live ewo Kumawood TV se ne ade bia eye no enen so yede honsem ebe brew live ede ntimesra wa freunia na unia so freunia na afi yenyina yentwemme ya fidie no na yentimi enin komo yepa ene mi amedi dwumade no ho chia me bidin ede Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus enra mentimi amba minua se Ike ena se Mike ena obetna adwum ede emame ma bibia ekoso kama ena update no yede bema na fe so se ne de bia ye no number na that screen so no betimi the text message ade aba na yakenkan ade amount enu no abojafo ba betrase na yabobo ho na wonso a wonso hweye no watimi ade contribution enso ade aba na eduru time abebie phone no nso a wonso wabem na yatimi ade nkomo yepa we eye Kumawood update live or Kumawood TV ahojo Atenga Junction ena iyewo asat enra na figure no eye 1550 anopa nyina na ewo 1550 anwumre ya ena ye hu se ehuri kosoro akoye 1671 Ghana cases are so far abandoned. Ya sure say mpanyimfo ba betrase na ya bobo ho kakra kwanya efaso a increase ene the rate at which increase no so no ye beka ho asem omo amawu enra asatenra na sebe omo ye 11 no mo ye 11 bibia ensisaye 11 na omo eye ena recovery omo a omo atowo mo eno nso ekonanim asat enra no nne 155 enne enwumre ye yahuri kosoro eko 188 eno ewo ayensem a yebebobo ho regions no se na esikoko no nyina no ya de bebrew live ewo Kumawood TV ensem a amanfo akeka efa COVID-19 ho eno nso no ojafo ba betrase a ya de bebrew live ewo Kumawood TV enya ntie se some food vendors bi ene taxi drivers bi anyinya bi ojafo ba betrase a eno so ye behwe na fe ya bobo ho kakra ewo Kumawood TV Ghana for Heba for nso ebinom ye adwuma hwehwe se ye benya COVID-19 no ho adru ama ye de asa ye nkrofo anase omo a sebi omo anya bi no ensem we ni nsem bebre ho a ye de bra life ewo Kumawood TV so medical casemidin Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus ene mede dwumade no ho chiame na yede dwumade bi eba Kumawood TV so yede ba be replace COVID-19 update bedwafo ba be sinkonya na afei omama ye hu de ekoso ewo politics mu na yede by a free fancy next week ekonya me adon Friday ye be launch ewo ha na menu ya be ma obetena dwam na watching video no na ase wa control bibia no ye betwetwe ho komosema be enum edubi na afei ya hwe enema ne ade a ebe koso ewo sa programs na anase program na yede ebem yede brem life no ye betwetwe ho enkomo na afei eno achi no mabedwafo abetena ase na ya bobo ensema egu form no so say Mike
boss
akwaba
ya ja
bom jese
adom
enra oboduma
asadan kanyame ne bi nso nkan
de nyame ase sam odin wo body
odi adom boko
okay yeah the program be ba Kumawood TV so live na ona ba be host program no ni din dey say
boss ma yenna ahefo ase na yenche omanyumre se omo ehwe be mu bia
okay
we eye social political program aya de eba na eye sinupi
Sinupi
yes
Sinupi
sure
because Sinupi I just
good boss who say enei no ensem bi wo ho ekoso ya manyo semu ya hinsemu ye daily social lifestyle you realize ya na ye kan kura no ya kan yie no ya na edin ensanchofo do no awo a ya na ye den sembi ase dan dance do nsem akra beren ye massage no kakra bi ade e wo se ma nipa ni hu se opani wada oroma we na ekoso ya we na ase ye de nanam ho
de o ye de ensamfo intime ka esa mo wa
ene de ya na no hye
obi ye ensamfo intime ka ya za de o ye enfa kwa
unse
sinipi de o se sa na
ye sinipi oho na unse utimi sin sembi pi nipa na ato hu se in fact waka na sem enti nunti ene ye se ye sinipi enti de ekoso o man mu abato abeto de aban bi hye ho bo so obeye a wonye ye ebe ye pie na ya ma tifo ehunu de o hye ho bo so obeye nso a waye nso so no ebe ye pie ono wo position de o mo so eka e wo se isisupi esinupi ema amanfo hunu se de esitie no ebinya mre na yetumi adi enkomo no e wo sa enti
edin adaso no
eyesinupi
I'm not sure say program we obi so abetwan kontum
yesire nyame se amanyofo no ne na ahemfo ne mpanimfo no unse ye bobra obi asiri an so no na ye heaven no ano ho account
so be ready to say heaven be any no asasisu ya na heaven no
but asasisu akra no akatua ha wo tido be bia no ho akatua ho
okay ye political talk shows stations a whole do be pre
good
the day never ma ahwefo be dia di say de ba ha ne de sonko
right but who say I always say nipa udi bibia anim no you need to get credibility at least nyame adom in the western region me say western region form of hey omunim adwuma na in western region say Charles BCU being the presidential staffer regional secretary for the NPP and Anatoku being a former regional chairman for the NDC omunyina na gina ho a they will tell you say sankrofo we there omunyina ya there. And then when we come to Ashanti region obi to say Kosichei and then Kwamizu they will tell you say oh this guy there oye there
yeah no means say overcome
good good
omo ye bone a wonka
no oye there ne say say oko ka kire NDC ni say say Mike here NPP near NDC news obwa and I'll catch NPP news say Mike here NDC near NPP news who say obwa. It means as a journalist I was a many politician, me a journalist. And when you give the politicians fair grounds to operate, even the radio programs, you know, some people will tell you, we show no, so I say NDC for no NPP for no fair equally, and the serial callers are more the region, Ashanti region, I didn't come with any. I believe say a non-quack should give them the assurance say ye manusem say ye kwa kotai obiachi ye mu bia platform no ama the one waka o kan so na no kran so we have the mandate say matie for hu de no kran nti wo de na wo kan no kran na me wa evidence nya no kran asa matie for hu nya no kran. And I think it started yesterday. Na mene Jaboso, member of parliament for Jaboso, Kolomita Kando, Edin Komo. We said not or mention hospitals are Omampeni Ebaye, Omo Ejaimu. But I am Emmanuel who said, no, Ebia no be much dia, or born to watch dia, baby or what? Ejumane Koso. So, but then say, you're one sided that, or be canoe be Jarmanakosa. Unum no crano by Wintiminka. But I had a at Kumawood television. You who no crano, you can be pepe.
Okay, so the ma yet dear no enter strong and watch run. Na answer now corner program no full program no best active from Monday.
Yeah.
Friday then because
Friday no the end say we know your name on your phone ebedin komo mo. We say social use bebem when necessary. COVID-19 bebem, environmental issues bebem, religious issues bebem. But if we are in a political season and this era no, politics no ebe more. So what I'm going to do is that on Friday, your bell launch program no, ewo your premises are.
Okay.
And because as I told you no, your fenti. Ya de amanyoku a wo Ghana omo reps ibi o many reps enti oni
na oye full political party na say only rep there say na unson so
me ama me akwadonko the last time me invite them catch and say o ma me nipa mi nu a ebia so no ni ho a on be na name ebisi ne nti ono no sa na be den se ma enyo ono anka sa be den PRO na say omo kasa mo una wo kan that time say me catch and say o ma me nipa mi nu bia so no ni ho a make me follow on them
so ono no na no dey nti so ono na nkasa
nti so ono no se me nya na mva na me bia na ese na manyoku no bia represent no
for ono ankasa man na
good nti say GCPP PNC CPP NDC NPP and I'm of Udike so UPP and I feel Makonta so when you say Makonta Jataba Ejeni Mbwati Jataba omina no
Jataba
good good nti nyame ya adomo Friday
Chirabosum
party na fe no chekere enya nyina
iwe campaign ba
no kray ba ko afi no chekere ne party no
ba so register
ogoto chekere ejina yi a edne babam
okay we Kumawood TV program for fra ya deba aba replace that time we are 4:30 to 6:30 to say a COVID-19 ho nsem a ne ho say COVID-19 no the way I see air con ya ba ne ya betena ya say enkunya but ohwe ne ya betena kama be didi adi won kwan ya obibi akama ama yes anyankopon de ama o say obetena saase so no watena so ntina ye ka say hohoro won say yi ne tambia no bo modern so bo hohoro won sa no use sanitizers and as a sanitizer na fe nose mask eno nso wo yusu bi bo modern na hwe wo so yie menko baabi a nipa bebree wo ahoya chok se o foka ye public transporter bo modern say obehye nose mask no ansana wafo wodi sa amra we nyina so a obenante organ ha kwa ba sa yare ebi enyo se okoi asembe na okatra hwefo se o promise omo se obedi nukure na onye bias na fe minya amanko
right but we say do nipa do no so presenters at times they are now more bias, especially when it comes to Ashanti region. The perception is that because a higher NPP stronghold, you know, to do one no NPP. But I tell you, I know my colleagues and I know the work they are doing in Ashanti region. And then you see answer in Mkoma Yedi. Inti your best strategy for say Omofampa one Tayachi. Na Penis do trust and so no. Yano Musin Chia.
The candidate there be na say wow show chi ya ubehunu say chia but open on wa chia nti no say that can say do trust.
Okay. but you be assure mo say e mom good show enkoye o studios nko a bo o say be kwa bonten there was a from mom be mo so yeah so be
news ewo abontin
yes
o Kumawood awon
yes okay nti omunya rehemu oyemu na mo vampire enter echi na onso a odwaton de no omo emfamra na me wuremu na omo hu se nyankopon adom okay emfaso be free sponsorship a omo ebeye no so nti omo se but then kitwe gwe do adaroma o se covid-19 no your information say be ho but I call the WHO website Ghana de no munya update here
utim say buy enche
nti bia na enche nti bia omo call the official website of the WHO no omo update here there no nti still 1550 no and
okay all right you better I say Sir Mike na yete nanka no sinipi dwumadi a yede ba na ya replace COVID-19 show ya ye ni nyina ka bom na ye de ebehiem nti yan hye no so say free na me adma next week ekono say Mike betina dwam na fe one empanyofo atenase na omatwetwe enkomo ametwa mo hosima baako me ba ebedwafo betenase COVID-19 ye bedi hu enkomo.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yebie sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yebie Sini papa ben na upe bi ahwe. Amansane winya no baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa ben na upe bi ahwe. Amansane winya no baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV.
Okay, ya sounds like a view COVID-19 won some and the every life and a for atnasi. Said the medical kind say enra and I say after no 5 week crown na 1,550 to say a free 1,671 and only confirmed cases so far the whole Ghana akodro ye hwe omo wu na enra na 11 asat now still ano 11 ena o hwe omo ye recovered na so mu ato omo na asat enra na no power kra no na 155 say ahuri ekọ 188 eno so ade a ewo ho Mabeda for Atanasi, ye be bombo ho na fe Adam Martin so ye the atoa so but your number na that screen is 0543 0543 596070 0543 596070 a test line with me at your text message at the apaso and answer WhatsApp at the apaso na yakin kind at the amount every permanent so ye be ya home atrofo na tum na onso afre na ode wadwenche ade aba meden ade Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos mabega for Atanasi DJ Lofty
Sam Dakos
am ofedia
Sam
akwaba
yeja
empomboko
nimpo modern me modern pa
oba show is watch kakra
yeah onim se bread daniana wadana ho kakra no se dwumadi atise no so no Kumawood no so onim se ahwefo a no mo hwe no a no mo do so ye na obian so bepese obeba so bi because update a de bayi Sam eboa pa yensima ye ka wa ha no ade a timi company fo aso pa obehwe a toda ye kasa wa ha na mpanimfo no aba abonten yensam na ye kana no maso mutum se omode ye adwuma enti Kumawood ye Kumawood ti eba se ye betena sese ya na chese eye ni bre ene se ye de nokure ebeto ba bi esese eda na ye mpanimfo no wona wo hwe no ehunu se Kumawood TV de yaba no na yaba se ebedi nokure ama ye viewers.
Okay, ebedi nokure de ama ye viewers. DJ Lofty a radio presenter and as a DJ Kumasi 104.1 FM. Yes, also Virgin Prince and so Virgin Aquaba.
Oh, many are major so.
Impom to say.
Yamia Dumon also.
I don't know. And Ramit come fire. Oh, fire,
Oh, sir, privately, I need Dim Komwa.
Of course, yeah.
I like to be truthful, which is the only thing you can stand for. Iti bibia me kawa hebia no me yen hwehwemu e wonyina so ansa na meka. Wo se no kre kan so no enye obi de e be ye obi so de. nti anya oda mental game memfa me nhye kɔ na bi mu bisa wo sɛ asɛm a mekan no no kra enye no kra dia ne obetimi no mi
aya na won sɛ ye na ya hwefo no sɛ obi pro obi asɛm a no matter what o kan ho asɛm bɔne a sɛ no kra na ɔno nya.
But that is not democracy. Democracy show ɛsɛ wo te democracy ase sɛ nipa na odi n'echi no nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ a nya no kra about him nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ so a yɛ no kra ne yɛ no kra no wote wɔ no ho a ma ne mfa ne sɛ wo pɛ na asɛm nti no nipa na ɔka sa asɛm no wo bɛfa ne ho tan anaasɛ wo bɛ tag no ne asefo bisa sɛ asɛm a nipa ne ka no ɛyɛ no kra te sɛ me ma wɔ example President Nanado His Excellency ɛna ɛde free SHS bae me ka sa asɛm na ɛyɛ no kra o time me say maka say no kra so no na ɛde bae that one untimi nka hwe fa wo
sɛ no de papa ntino
aha bese me ka kyerɛ say President Nanado on see regional hospital bia enya tem didi ɛyɛ no kra so on see sa afa na wayɛ na dwen so obesi a fine beto nya see ye
ɛno so yɛ no kra
ɛno so ne yɛ no kra and then na me ka ba ko a favor odi a o ye okay ba ko wo hɔ a ɛyɛ no kra ɛnyɛ sɛ me na me ka wo no kra na me ka ɛno de na
asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a ya na tonation now they can
okay
o body language now what they can
no but we should learn as yeah yet no ese etimi educate ye chef for say obedom party bi obi so bedom party bi no credit no credit Christiana Mampong or CNN for journalist kese pa oya otatu kwan mo amhwe CNN mo be hu say oba bi oba ha so oba kai a ono na be bisa Moisha Bodon say Ghana form ma Moisha ko ka asem bi a Ghana form ma o ka asem bi which is very profound edimu pa meka na wo de akọ adwedwem o say a journalist yeah broadcast journalist a journalist must not be neutral e ba cho obetimi a kire wo twi mu a ebe bo ame pa
say journalist ni ko say o gina
enfinfi neutral means that what the original
but yes you say journalist so gina
no I am misconception bia ya hwefo ne yetiefo no a ewo say assembly ba chinchina achi journalist yes so gina middle I am misconception bia ya hwefo ne yetiefo ne wo a journalist must not be neutral.
How?
Okay, I'll tell you what a journalist must do. A journalist must be truthful and honest, fair and objective.
Okay.
It's a journalist wa betena ha. When na we host. You find some da ko na we tell we host.
Yeah.
You are a journalist. When na we host. You find say me nua ye MPP. And na me ye NDC. And I say we ye MPP no ye NDC. O chiche time I say we fair. Wa ma me 15 minutes. Wa ma no so 15 minutes. You are being fair.
Fair time there. Sometimes you can't be.
Thank you. You see, even at sharing of time, sometimes.
No. Listen, time there. Time they cast there. Some at least some seconds. And obi also or make a point.
So you see, some that even time crampono, you can't be fair.
It's not like listen.
Maybe it as a journalist, being neutral. Don't you have a position on things? Don't you have a position? Kumawood. Now say you say a man accuse you more directors and say before Obama opposition, Obama role be a obe attend just on no dancer. Who some darkos now in position? Now in position.
Oh yeah.
Are you not in the industry?
Yes.
So you need to have a position. And you no credit. And you no credit. Thank you.
But I say relationship you
have a position on that
relationship.
Thank you. Your democracy no a journalist can declare for a particular political party. It's not big deal. Any big deal.
Okay.
Me ba so na me kana say. Enti ye match ahwefo no hu say
enti journalist no ko say
no enye say we neutral. Ma me bisa wo.
So matwas na me sure say mahwefo nso atwas. Enti let's move forward. Ye ko ye ni na me ka say number na that screen so no a text message. Enti nsem be ye ka no ha bia no say oni ye adwene a wo so adwen kire ne say oni ye nya adwene a wo so adwen kire ene say obetimi that they are fast so 0543 596070 0543 596070. Debiana, we started with the figures now yana eba. Every day. Say I'm possible now. Ochina ebe kosoro. I'm possible ochina. Na de chie ebe kosoro. I'm starting free virgin so far you agree a 1,671.
Some dakus meda etie for so I say any ahwefo nyina. Some dakus from the Biame ward ni investigations ni privileged information I want. Make catch also we should expect more of the positives. Because according to Noguchi, every day almost tested positive cases. Every day. Noguchi director now no penny no on the kai. Or see every day. But as to how omo release information, they are no the omo domain. Okay. Omo ye test in area. Omo the relevant body, which is the Ghana Health Service, which is controlled by a binding in penny for. How they release that information to us the citizen, and no the Noguchi for omo ni who control.
Send a delay be a day or two.
And no the Noguchi. Noguchi for have the capacity to do 1,000 tests a day. KCCR and no ye Noguchi for the be a war Kumasi ha. Almost what the capacity to do 200. To say a matisa buy be baku wo ho allied science be wo ho. Almost ye test. A buy a partner with some private people almost yes our test. No? So what it means is that according to Noguchi, the other say the Noguchi the no cry cancer ma. Almost see every day be almost ye test positive assemble every day. So the numbers
they can do 1,000.
Yes, in a day. In a day. So how the result
only said nothing about be a crowd there not me a was through than Ashanti because you did testing
Ashanti region one Kasani test place. And Cransuso one Kasani test place. The other places after buying a Buabuan or Yeniama Senebenya test places all over the place. Sebe Boye. And Mamin Fakwan was tsunami bought KUST almost science department, you know. Also, my manufacture test kits be aha, a FDR or more or yes, say BBI okay, almost the babble and tia. And ya dear Quaco Crass Animana baby, my KUST as an institution of science, you know, on me produces Animan. A good news was almost necessity is the mother of all inventions. Yes. Saying here, wa unko ye bibi. Samdakos na kebetimi ayo but that time no say bibia emmaye nti se sia bibia hia ye aboa bia ya chieti nti no ama yes say the vimbi ma ye niama won say na say SS student bi owo boase ono so ye wash hand wash bia ye automatic o de won sa ko ha
ba ko bi ewo social media I even na ye
or the tank
o de nice so on found some
okay.
Oh, the nice one. Na a
seminar.
No, we are the nice way. So, no,
if you see your number. Yeah,
we are you now. That means on found some
and Kabibia. So, like I said, necessity is the mother of all inventions. Bibi mobile phone na unhu eneno. Nipa no invent here no. Some time ago, do you know how people make calls? Do you know how people write letters? Time I now go school no. O throw letter to girlfriend bia no say SS bia. O ni mobile phone no. Tie so o throw. Now they are post office. Na ya befa
3 weeks.
But so in that necessity no na obi tena say so me your phone.
Because say yesu na yesu milk.
Ah, maybe ahoma bi. Thank you. So necessity.
To be no trust no
who say you be here be your friend phone, mobile phone. First, yeah, was fixed phone.
Yeah.
But then your mobile phone. It was necessity and a generative is on my way. And see, necessity is the mother of all the invention. And who here uncle being quiet. Yes. The beer you use ne piano. And because at a point in time no a year enti ye. Enti you be book UST for basso. Yes, Food and Drugs Authority for be year or mo no more go ahead, no more produce all those test kits, you know. Plenty. Send even every household be a. I see it me bad the stage. Every household be a better test here. At least some doctors unimu status.
It's far better.
It's far better. Say unamu wa unimu status.
Now, Mama Musa said, before lockdown, within the lockdown, and after the lockdown, I did bear 2 months. What I say? Senka Ebia, Virgin Ubia. How could share them? Senka started the same thing.
Yeah, but no, I'm a Kasembi. Say there are people who are asymptomatic. What it means is that people who carry disease, no, or positive, but they are not showing any symptoms. Dear
immune system.
Immune system is strong.
But say a born cross or system no more. It did some
2 weeks. By 2 weeks, there.
So I'm sure Krana. My father says immune system is strong. A born will more to me vanish.
Yes. What about said your one vanish? You also won't show any symptoms. And me cool, but to me transfer to somebody else.
Oh, of course, that one.
So you are moving about spreading. You do not even know. One kasa will name and I was spreading. Obi o the immune system na near hon dey to say wa dey or no there within 2 weeks I say can to e dey ko. Doctors about na say your doctors about 13 of them. 13 doctors are tested positive. Eti yare no mesre o. E say no na make obi say Prince who cause fear and panic. I have a belief. If I will cause fear and panic for you to be careful, I prefer that one than to say me crow. Now one ye careful. Now I konye bi. Now we bush your phone na so akonye bi. Na ko hajuni.
Then say them o yam shishiw.
Mama ma wo yam shishiw. In fact, sometimes I am shishiw na me de ma no is supported by figures. And yes, I may keke. I am supported by figures. And kosro. Yesterday we were counting 1,550. Today we are counting 1,600.
100 plus.
Thank you. By the close of Friday, we should be counting the 2,000s.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, you share the rate at which increase and recovery. Entirely. But I'm happy say for recover. I'll be the first to clap say. And yes, and for recover. Now recovery no, and yet drobia na ede more build your immune system no, and more recover. And draw no. This starting na minimumphobia. Almost starting say, almost this sobolo, almost garlic, almost
no appetition.
What you say? But I say no. Sazil no problem.
Yeah.
Obia fin say we be
because sad it was not backed by any medical science.
But sometimes I work it.
No, you see, there are things I need as natural things a boost to your immune system. Kwan suswa, contemporary, equine, prekese. Those things, Ghana hano, a boost to your immune system. Dada. Into sorry now, kwan suswa ni asefo now a boost to immune system dada. It could be possible so benya yare no now immune system no wa won de ntino wa won show any symptoms bia but obetimi dia ma obi a bi ono de na immune system no eni ahode iti nya meka ne say ye de nyame asese recoveries no eba on say as a name death bia see what it means is that death now slow down which is good for
like as a Ghana for a bomb modern prevent a wound.
Yes, what it means so tie president or see obi obewu bia no e under current besa na yare ni ye o oba na obe weaken we immune system no eti yare bia timi ku na me catch us say anka coronavirus ambechiwa o yare no na ne wa na etie obi wo ho over diabetes or high blood pressure or managing no onwuye. But we be no we weaken the immune system no. It is I are na be kunu. Me ba to ote na me kana say. It is sana de na tie. It ye de nyame say we are getting recoveries have not heard about so obiewu yedenyamiase, which is good for us. But increment in dear. Send me a mechanic.
That's why now kind of say the woman train.
Because the presidential advisor on health to the president also be car same be on one sabe retract. But so we share trajectory kwa samdakos. O dear for any date say send me near my kwa.
Because you know 1 2 years over there and never uncle baby.
Ya count ya thousands. May assure say by this weekend we should be counting in the 2000s. Papa ne say every day bia omo ye test positive test no omo nya bi omo di ni nyina ma Ghana Health Service as to how they release the information and eya metima ban ase I understand aban enya bibia na obe kikikina odi abetudwa esa o manage in the management yes eno no mo ye nti I understand aban say ontimi mfan be ka so nipa 5 million anya and I said 2000 4000 esa wo twenso kakra na
enko DJ Lofty so na also emfa ne de emra pacho medical case number na that screen so no obetimi e de test line e de and as a text message e de paso and as a WhatsApp for the bar ne can in them na also whatimi a contribute to number no is 0543 59 6070 0543 59 6070 the permanent baby ya home microphone to now on so watch DJ Lofty come back so far is it so good and I say bad
Sam obekaya wo dwumadi aso no me kan wo ha say test ne de ye bekoso test figures na ye de ani hu ye bekoso ahu ne chance but ye mu ene ne papa mu no ye ye hwehwe pa wo ne say ye beka say yare no ekọ animu de ne nso ni padodo no nso nyo mo ahoto ne mum ewuo no de ebi meka ho bi Sam o hwe a se ne na enurare enim no I think say na 1550 ena ene asat na wa yete hei ababedu 1671 we kire say ade no ekọ animu me enhye da nya me won bi say yare no ekọ animu san say wo hwe se ne o mampani na do dan kwa kufu ado e ba abonten be ka kire Ghana for say Ghana for se mi amahwe ahumi say se me ka say e bia mo nhye dan mu a wan hwe komkura be say akuye etumi ensan kwa e monten so ne nkonkwa e enuma sam wenti na do dan kwa kufu ado e mai ba minim yie pa say na do dan kwa kufu ado enim say se Ghana for ba abonten a yare no be koso akosoro ne mom obi a obeye na adwen se all prevent ne ho se ne be ya wonya yare ni bi no enya bi wo kai a me ka se e ya sama meta ka ba se be ya ye figures ye de ani hu ya da ne da ekọ animu enkọ animu no me mpesa me de e be kwakoka ho enti won so a wo hwe no me nya wa adwen se won so de e kwakoka ho bi se ekoba sa e be boy nyina enti sa sam o hwe figures ya ye de ani hu ya the next weekend here we animu yi enya me won say ye count e be count 2000s no enya thousands niema ekoba sa ne say ena wo hwe a ye common so kodi bia bebre ena wo kodwa mu a ye se social distancing eye adwuma ne all to ade na the social distancing eye adwuma na ne all kwa akoto no so e wo hwe recently ya ena me gidi se mpanifo ade agu akwam say se unyo obi a wo hye nose mask ne ye hia wo a wan hwe ye be hawo empo truck driver na taxi driver se unhye nose mask ne bia enya ade a wo betimi afọ car but sa asem we buy no edi sen atin se na 3 days ya pe ena sa ade we e buy Ghana
say enforcement na eyeduma
sam say ya ka say enforcement ni nya adwuma be ya adwuma
time I call partial lockdown
good
you hu a soldier for the police for na omu bukrom a
good
omu making sure say obi MP
good
but you see here inside the measures we are e be boy yen ama ya ho atoye no I'm not sure say the law enforcement in here
good this is the time say law enforcement here be say here adwuma sam ɛsɛ sɛ yɛma yɛn police service na those time na yɛwɔ partial lockdown mu na ɔmo wɔ mmɔnten no yɛma ɔmo ba abɔnten biem sɛ woyɛ driver ni na wafa passenger bi na sɛ wɔnhyɛ nose mask na sɛ wo driver ni no wohyɛ bia what you do is that wo nipa no a wɔnhyɛ bi no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyi wo free car no yɛde wo si fam na car no toa so kɔ na ɔkɔkɔ yɛ n'adwuma sam sɛ yɛanyɛ ne saa baabi a na mehwɛ paa no sɛ yɛyɛ adwene sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ saa nose mask yi ɛyɛ adwuma na yɛmfɔse no ma no yɛyi a agye sɛ yɛne ɛyɛ stafigesi kora adeɛ anim yi sam ka nya adeɛ adeɛ ne bɛhu biem yɛnhwɛ berɛ a yɛbaa fie no na yɛnya mfɔse yi nti saa tam na ɔkɔ central market a nea ɔpɛ ɛna ɔhyɛ nose mask no because ofin sɛ obi ahyɛ bi nti nipa no mmɔwa ɔno nso mmɔwa nti ɛbɛyɛ dɛn na yɛrɛ na wakɔ akonnwa bi yɛde ɛba foforɔ sam sɛ ɔbɛkae a yɛnya doctors bi ma ɔmo ɛba abɔnten bɛka sɛ obi bɔ wa anaasɛ ɔhensi a ɛtumi take some hours bi ɛwɔ wiem ansa na yɛrɛ no bɛfiri mframa no mu a ɛfiri mframa no mu nti let's assume sɛ me wɔ yɛrɛ no bi ɛna me gyina a particular place ɛna mabɔ wa no anaasɛ ma sinizi me bɔ wa na me sinizi a that particular time no sɛnea doctors na kyerɛkyerɛ mu a ɛma yɛrɛ no bɛyɛ huhuhu a sɛ woyɛ nsɛntwerɛni na ɔba abɔnten bɛka sɛ yɛrɛ no ɛnhu yɛsɛ woputu fear and panic ɛnso ɔmo ankyerɛkyerɛ mu a ɔmo de baeɛ na sam ɛbɛma a saa fear and panic yi ɛbaeɛ nti sɛ obi ɛbɔ wa wɔ hɔ anaasɛ osinizi na that moment na ofiri hɔ na sɛ obi nso ba within bɛɛ 1 hour anaasɛ 2 hours na sɛ adeɛ no mfiri mframa no mu a na kyerɛ sɛ sam ɛyɛ possible sɛ nipa no a wɔbɛfa hɔ that particular time no nso bɛtumi anya yɛrɛ no bi nti nka berɛ a yɛyɛ partial lockdown no ɛhɔ ɛna na wɔsɛ nka yɛyɛ mfɔse sɛ wo a wofiri fie na wakɔ abɔnten akɔ akɔtɔ adeɛ sɛ wokɔ pharmacy shop anaasɛ wo so wokɔ akɔtɔ aduane de aba fie no wo saa nipa no ɛsɛ sɛ wonya nose mask sɛ nka saa berɛ no nka yɛmfɔse nose mask no a nka berɛ a obiara me aba abɔnten nka obiara de ahyɛ n'adwene mu dada sɛ wonni nose mask no kora na wokɔ abɔnten a asotwe ɛwɔ hɔ ma wo ni sam sɛ yɛntumi anyɛ ne saa ɛnɛ rumors bi a na ɛkɔ so ma menka ne sɛ yɛ rumors because menya mpanimfo bi ama mo ma abɔnten mɛka sɛ asɛm no a aba social media na ɛkɔ so no ɛnyɛ nokorɛ mate sɛ yɛse bɛyɛ sɛ 10 market women bi a ɔmo tɔn aduane 10 vendors food vendors ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ 10 ɛna 3 taxi drivers ɛna yɛte sɛ wokɔ aburokyerɛ nso a 1 Uber driver bi nso so ɛno nso attested positive food vendors ɛyɛ ka wɔn asɛm nso no ɔmo nso attested positive nti yɛmfa ne sɛ saa berɛ no a ne ɛwɔ partial lockdown no saa food vendors yi nyina ne yɛma ɔmo kwan ma ɔmo ntɔ aduane wɔ abɔnten sampatɔ wote na ɛmɛka ase ɔmo ntɔ abɔnten no obi firi ne fie bɛtɔ aduane wantena hɔ anidi nti ɔtɔ aduane no wɔde kɔɔɛ saa food vendor kɔ no a wɔkyekyere aduane wɔ rɔba mu no ɛna owie na ɔsan de hyɛ nipa no ɔbɛtɔ aduane nsɛm na ɔde kɔ fie nti sam sɛ saa food vendor yi a yɛsɛ wɔnya yareɛ bi sɛ ɔno nso akyekyere aduane wɔ bowl mu ana plate mu ɛde ne nsa asɔ atiri mu ate aduane ɛde ama nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ɛyɛ mo sɛ ɛyɛ den a hwɛ nipa dodoɔ a saa food vendors yi nso de ama nkurɔfoɔ wɔ abɔnten a wɔn nso de kɔ ɔmo fie.
Oh, but sɛ mɛ sure sɛ anaasɛ deɛ mo sɛ even o ma mi bi deɛ ma yareɛ no sometimes wotumi manage wo ho yie a ɛyɛ no sɛ ebi wɔ ho wotɔ aduane abɛtɔ bi ama rɔba no affect ama me so ma so affect me na me de kɔ fie anaa me de ɛkɔ fie no mamfa me nsa ankomani wɔte aseɛ mamfa me nsa ankomani ho na bia me kɔworo me nsa ɛde nsam na ne ade wɔworo me nsa me tena ba bi didi na yiwie na me sisa ɛyi no ɛkɔto baabi a me yɛ sure sɛ ɛbɛ spread anaa bɛka wo na wo yɛ dɛ wo kɔte free baabi no
sam
ɛno ti na yɛse all the time biara no wɔworo wɔn nsa good na use sanitizer and as be at that time no o kɔtɔ no ɛna o di kan wɔworo wɔn nsa na o use sanitizer ke bia o gye no sanitizer bɛtuma aboa wo ama yare no afiri
nti sam wonyi ni so sɛ saa food vendors yi a yɛka ɔmo asɛm sɛ ɔmo test positive anyɛ hwee yɛbɛtumi anya nipa no mu bi a ɔmo kɔɔ abɔnten kɔtɔ aduane bi a wɔntumi amprotect ne ho sam mete wɔ yi me a family man sɛ me kɔ abɔnten ana me ba adwuma na me kodu fie a me wo ma wo fie wodu fie no a wo ba ye watu e bi kura na owura fie ho sabra no wantimi anyisu sanitizer no bra wo gye aduane no efi ni pansem no wa bia da otim nyina sɛ wodu fie a wo be wash down ansa enti wodu fie no let's assume sɛ wan wura dan mu efie wura efie yam ho no a na o manage na ho omu hu wa dadi owura fie ho ɛhɔ na aduane na ekura no ba na ba ba gye aduane na firi wo nsam ebia na so nka wo de no sɛ wokokodu fie a wa be wash wo nsa na wo yɛ aduane na firi rubber no kama na wa yɛ wa fo mu de bia wo sɛ wo yɛ sam ɛrefre wo nipa ho megye sɛ saa yare coronavirus yi ɛrefre ani ahotoso a nipa dodo no eninti ɛna ma obi abenya saa infection sɛ nya ne saa ebia na nkɛnte saa sam na meka ne sɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa na ama yɛ yare coronavirus Ghana wohwɛ cases na yare no gu so a increase kɔ no ɛdeɛ bɛn paa ne ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛbɔ yɛn ho ban sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a yare no ɛntimi nkɔ n'anim biem sam enke yehu yɛ yi yehu sɛ yare no akɔdu 1671 ɛna nka ɛba abɔnten yɛte sɛ okay recovery no sɛ si yɛ ka sɛ ɛduru 300 ana 400 a ɛno ne yɛbɛka sɛ oh okay yare no cases ne dɔɔso deɛ nanso recovery no ɛdɔɔso kyɛn sɛneɛ nkurɔfoɔ nya bi wohwɛ figure yi a sam ɛnura na yɛwɔ 1550 ɛnɛ yɛduru 1671 1671 hwɛ dodo a aba bɛka ho yɛnhwɛ recovery no nso so ɛnura na ɛyɛ 155 ne boa 155 ne ɛbɛdu 188 nti nka yɛyɛ na nka yɛhwɛ na nka figure yi recovery no nka aba bɛdu 300 400 a ɛno deɛ nka wotumi bɛtena kasa mfonyini so ɛbɔ ose Ghana.
It's because you need medicine biya ya dey cure. Good. Management in the manager say na virgin can. O didi nuane a boost your immune system na say o dey no immune system no timi sori gina ho kakra bia na timi akwati ya. Good. Enti enje dan ya duro party say duro we na ya dey kon ya.
Good. Eno nti na sam me kan say wo fie na wo hwe nsa bre ya. Nya hotoso na fa sɛ otim sɛ yare ne wo ho ɛne ya betena na wonim nipa mpa a wono wo yare ne bia ɔde brɛ wo enti ɛsɛ sɛ wo bɔ ho modern sɛ nose mask wo bɔ modern na wahyɛ wo de na wa protect wo sanya bɛ ya yare no nya bi ɛnsa hohoro no bɛ wo no ho na hohoro ɛno na virgin prince ka asɛm bi ogu so a ɔka asɛm no a ankyɛ ɛna me nso menya message from banks a me ne mo yɛ adwuma sɛ ansa na wobɛbɔ mo premises sɛ wo ba bɛ yi scan so won kura nose mask enya ade a obetimi awura eye omo premises
so na me ne ochunozo
good
eco bank good na yeduru ho no na me nsu nose mask o ma me wura o ma ochunozo
good it is enka ye ne say ya enka yare no enka asase no ene start say ye ne sade we ya say won hye nose mask aha untumi ngura ha won hye nose mask untumi nkodwom koto bayire untumi nkoto bako untumi nkoto we ya enka sabra nipa be pre up nose mask
okay my memory virgin so yeah nose mask here can once senior banks are starting the test messages omo customers you have small businesses no human getting are they also doing the same and as omo there as a inform who be say
so far we are doing Enti baby a ensuo fa no ehwa na nsafa ehwa na nsafa look it bia no na Okay, virgin grace. Me can't test line and say amount for betting the text message at the bar. Now you can kind at the amount. Check and answer the feminine so. It will be a home at for not to. Now, wow, also, or they were you banner. So they were didn't at the upper. Lion, test line 0543 596070 0543 596070. Departure what the bar na wamana short amount. Send a bay a
making kind edit amount.
I'm a baby
So atime akoso kama. We Kumawood TV COVID-19 ehun komo na ye de kai anima aka say the free next week kono ye no Sinipi a political talk show ye de bremo live Kumawood TV political talk show no no ye benya political parties no mo reps any leaders any group bebre even president no bekasa dwumade so enti any political issue bia o party bia no omode ase a free Monday ekono start time ya 4:30 to 6:30 ya the CNP every life and the oba pempe was in pain o kan na okọ enenti yenhye no enso na ye make a date with it sebaya na me aduma from Monday no abeja for betrase na fe ye de CNP e de abro me din ye de somewhat kwabna da ko aka some dakos me na me di dwumade ho chiame e bia from next week kono anyame na me host program no mo nhye no so ema me pa virgin now what kasa
enti face mask ya na say nose mask ehun hia pa say ye be make sure say obia be shebi but me read literature be about your face mask ya so say some unte ya almost say telephone or pam face mask e be betua about 21 million Ombetua to the Food and Drugs Board, any standard authority. That's Food and Drugs Authority, any standard Ghana standard authority.
Not the way food.
Okay, so some making sure say papa. Say person making sure say person say near fabric chemicals room. Oh helia no so betimi the Arabia bro. Omo lay down we bia. Some fast ansa na wetimi
so enyo bia na ese
omo person mo kire say enyo bia na ese opam ese omo ma license to nkrofo a ese omo pam send ya wo so wo Kumawood a obi na ese omo license ansa na wa operate no sa na omo person omo ye omo be sika omo ji omo no
telafo a opam niam a wo be de omo kosua omo de
thank you so I don't know why Food and Drugs Authority ne standard authority because so even so person certify or more say bibia untimi mbe ye bibia keke maye it's person certify or more 21 million 2100 is
2100
yes
most of the telephone
thank you enti menim ne pakro or this adwene bro mo a o mo implement ye telephone
emma nye so cheap and
thank you as it is. That's what they are complaining about say mo ye ne sa enya yeso ye be produce no with high price
of course
enti eno any face mask ade no and a face mask nose mask no so enye ni nyina samda ko se me hwe wodie ya e fabric almost say fabric na kasa no e chemical na e dey fabric so apart from say you are protecting yourself from COVID-19
you are inhaling
you are also inhaling chemical I know so betimi are harmful to your health
fabric no
fabric no almost so be usual there should be a 3-layer the last one I be on hene no it should be colorless and I say a plain fabric any chemical na dey just plain fabric so it could be white it could be the plain green it could be the plain light green or light blue no and no dey sana Food and Drugs Authority for person say that's what they are certifying. Anything on person mo certify every tailor or seamstress.
Fabric we no. Na
about 3 layers.
3 no.
Not to say
last one I be wo hwene no
all the trainer come on there. That means the price no because me can me yen about to say me call akoton.
Thank you.
Also fantata so
and now we me some register registry no so e cost me money na nsa na wa certify me to say na wa register and as we VAT registered person.
I said bia we the product be
ya certify we say wo de no e na ye papa wo na ya ma wo kwan. O tell me can I say?
Now how would you know say? How would you know say? Where dear you are certified.
Also there should be something to show. Send your local register VAT.
The amount
number B and as a sticker B or the boho.
Some uncle say membrem. But on say and you might be saying one. Some metia na me bufu. Na makoma ya because unim some and on making and he say a buying no earth na say food and drugs authority and then on more a come home behwe say e say ye jai say ye de we no ko akeke ye na no so besa aye harmful to ye health I then no abaning country obi opam bibia say Ghana for tailor for am pam nose mask munyai ne mo meme aban me be providing nose mask ne ye papa enkofa ohaw emfa mrewo e de ba enti tena fie tena bro ho so na wadwumam na me aban me be produce nose mask papa e de amaw sam ni padodo sen hwene me nua prince eken se e ba se o ka so o metua 2100 Ghana cedis
I think say when be mu
emfa me register sam waboso enti me nse me twere ma adwen dia fam se aban eye na adwen se sa na opeso wo ye dia ene na aban aye ready say nose mask no Ghana ni bia nto bi abonten wan cedi ene to
say dia ba dia me pese me be say an say say e be harmful to your health dia
o ma ye bi
tie na food and drugs board for a right say right from beginning good bema ya aware
good
say
you want crophobia ya for mo na for nose mask
only kan my hu say we no enye
education be no mo de mai
say e be use
what me am say education we
okay e ma very
enu ti na me ka say ene na aban ne prepare no ho say ono be ma nose mask no so ye ne sa de a ene enu oten kwanchan a ono nso be pam apɛ one cedi bi dia kotra bi na di mu ono nso be gya pam because onim so oni right
okay but na me pese me hu say true say sanity there you benya chance dey bi
oh yes
oh
yes
you satisfied
oh yes
na you hu say okay FDA number say
who says so even so ko register so be producer of water sachet water your ma number bi
of course
your ma bibi a chance to say o person we we so this is what Food and Drugs Authority any standard board authority for person omo ye say mo amu be pam nose mask no omo person omo ye boy ho ban but o be charge omo o charge omo kakra bi kura I don't know but why would you charge them at this time ye nyina ye boa say fight COVID-19 intermediate eno me de be si ho I want to see how we dey be an institution of government ye hu nia state na nkasa aban nkasa be count about it obetumi aka kire omo say hey Food and Drugs Authority don't do what you're doing more license no mo fam pam niam fam boy nyina ho ba embra more nti eno de I'll be patient to wait but so we enforce something you see we are ruled by laws in this country want to enforce you be so on chef nose mask you can only appeal some meba
at this
okay say time okay say
normal time
yes we all agree say you need normal time but even in the unnormal time rules still work
okay
some that question meba so what you gonna say even say you need normal time emra ye adwuma okay say time ye ka say ma sorry for nye asori openi bi koya asori ye che no ye belino na okoye biom sa time na omo beli na o man fa na nko court no is because emra betimi ama president and I say police for agina so etimi di ade na court na emra no nye ready it is that time no na o man peni prepare emra no e wo parliament sisi amra wo ho ye catch us say manya sorry na we sorry e betimi agelu because amra wo ho a e be gina so punishment count but time na enye mra no ontimi nya wo hwe nia me pese me tell say me te say aban kra pese o call parliament na o ko hye emra say one share nose marks a yetimi chill sisi
as we are speaking now
there's no law. So what you are doing is that you are appealing to the conscience of a human being. Say, yare bi wo ho, bon ho ban. Ade obetimi dia bon ho ban eye nose mask.
Enuntina law enforcement no.
Omo nye street on it. You can only appeal to the conscience of me say, hey Prince, there's a disease called COVID-19. O pia bonti and share nose mask. You are appealing to me. I might decide to take it or not to take it. And you be an nkwa ho hia no. Oh yeah. Some knuckles. Yeah, lockdown. Some people, if you know by out, so obehu say nkrofo bi so eni kroma. Can you believe that?
Ohun bi da.
Ohun bi da. It obe share dey. Obe share dey woko. Some knuckles.
But on shape.
Some knuckles. O mampeni a say ye nyina ye ntine fie. Wo se me be hwe say ye nyina atifi a. We ya asema yeka. Enti so je ni hu no obo a obeka dey enti nkrofo bi wo mo nsuro mo life but like I said enye mrae ehse wo educate nkrofo enye bibia soso ne ehse ye mra ehse ye educate nkrofo so no smacks no nkwa ne ade a betimi aboye ho ban see a lifted lockdown na ye ninama ye kɔ adwuma ye kɔ bank ye jisika ye we no smacks no na betimi aboye ho ban eno na ye nyina ese yetimi di educate ya manfo say nose mask no ene betimi aboy ho ban o tina me kan say enti nose mask ehia pa and ne betimi aya no say ye besere sa directive ya Food and Drugs Authority for the ban aban ti e so to ho anamo e so bogu
at least say omo timi ye no free cry
yes
government Food and Drug Board for Sika. Say Obia obey na dwene say.
Obey no.
Bibi say dia one.
No money license.
No nye.
My name cost no. Because me your seamstress and not teller. Na cost me to provide this. I mean me the my customer no.
Of course.
I'll pass it on to the customer.
Even a kobasa akra na ebema ne bokra san ba.
Yes. Sesia me dey I want me but me turn to 2 cities. Inti se wono eso ko register about 2,100. Can you imagine how much or the be mame iti nia mesre ne say we are not in normal times say na wo kan no sam ese yetimi boy ho ba
in a way no omo here dey discourage amount for
bebre yeah o say bibia ye bia wo man mu no we are regulated. It is the duty of the Food and Drugs Authority say bibia ye bedi ye be home akoye mu no omo no mo boy ho ban but meti ase say eyo masede be sika omo je no eno na I don't know whether so omo resist kano no mutimi dia monitor omo adwumadie na but eno de say aban na ma osika enya amanfo na omo pam ade no asam na aba
okay
what tell me guys nti nia meka no no sam me yes meka bibi kakra so afa numbers na ekoso no wo say you can say ye nim say owo bi anka ho right now from 11 to 16 nipa 5 ewu abekam. You can check all the website. Ghana Health Service who come website. Sign a drop. Also omo the recovery any numbers na cost na the bar first. Omo for owo de na nka ho. But see ade okwa owo de ne ka ho. From 11 to 16. Net say nipa 5 ewu within just a week. And one in the year 155 recovery and the year 11 deaths. So see within 2 or 3 days, nipa 5 ewu. It is a uti ho near custom nature now for say agrobi na yedi. Obi kwa wo ho up to now on gin this say yare no aba.
Because you can't buy
oh enti na me eya me lofty din komo say anka buy pair. On twitwa pictures, on your video. Non-formal TV stations.
We should see that.
We should see. Videos should be going around like a brochure.
I'm for me smart. BBC we are there near obi betima take picture no.
No, but no, it's isolated. You can't isolated. Nipa wa usuro so be call enti some dagos. Because say o person be trap pictures.
Some.
Love to dey mama wie. Mama wie.
Me ba memory.
Okay. Enti nia mesra ban say e bia enka na ne dadwen ho ananse enka ne we but onye video amafo still nim say yare no onhu bi onhu se ne yare no ye adwuma enti onji di enti o ka chen so onkoto 2 series face mask no fan bon ne ho ban a officer grobi ne edi
aba we
ewu asebesi ewu no te ha o wa recover now who show video.
These are the people
thank
who
you
live in Ghana.
Yes, when you do that it will put fear. Me, I have told you, I will tell you. Oh me, I would rather want to put fear in you. Akorasa o catch and say jabe shina. Who's on slow? Or the nesaka na shinwia. Afbejanu wo ho a. Odi agro won chen. Sani akoye. Ye nipa doubting. We are doubters. We doubt everything.
Okay,
it's in the American say.
Yes, sir. Your man penny and now say, or more share COVID-19. Oba say, oh, we
yeah.
And now say, we a coon crown, you body crown, you go see any.
Yeah.
Or that, and I said, or that can.
Yes.
The body then.
Yes.
Naka, the own my own match your crown, more free.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't remember more
papa or test line so never brand I'm making kind and now. Every permanent be a home to put nothing. Won't so watch away. Would you not see on not to now?
Some dakus. Share on was a ye kind of CCA. Prince Ekai and I also already saw concern in me interest a woman is. Some empempino yet a few more coronavirus umai. And can obi wu a na yabebu fie ofo man ye say ni person mesie and kan ya hwe yare coronavirus bai some so obi wo bi a bro no a ote so no yabefa ande ne call ye no e bi a na wahwere ne nkwa in fact nipa no wabusua ana sama nya sanete nipa no wabusua entenam say nipa no wabusua enti no say ewuo no nya bape ye bo abusua na man ye say modeshie ni pesimasi wonya yare coronavirus oba yare sabia bibinti ne ho antono enka obeti na efie ho na grofo de esu asiso wey yamanu ede na CEO na ka obeti se fie ho nipa esu fie ho eno kura be ya dance die
bia so a na omo busuafo na nti
sam mimi busuani yare
bia ka kire se owu na men kan kire bia
sam mimi busuani yare na se me de na kwa yare sabia na wahwe ne kra na wabɔ me mama ne se nipa simasi yare oba yare sabia no wawu na se nipa no so mboma me a sam asante mamu ha Ghana ha ye hoyi obi wu a hwe su a yebesu mo bi okra yes me ka ne se
ni normal time
sam minimum
normal time na ka wusu
sam
sa we ni ese me
esu de ye nka ne normal time ho asemu esu ne fa normal time ho sa wo de hye busuani awu na usu no eno de enye normal time asem enka at least sa niam we bi be ma nipa e wo bro no so na se area kono kra be hu se ampa nipa simasi wo yare ye na wawu yare no yeso wanya bi wonya bi ana se wawu enti eye no kra muntie se fi okra no e bia esu ho sa niam ni nyina ni ho be ye den na obi kra je di se yare no
lofty enti wo so ampa se obi ewo na wanya na wakɔ ya sabia wan survival sɛbi wawu wobɛkeka
sam sɛ nipa no som me buye paa
tie
me wabusua pani
wobɛkeka
me wɔna me wɔagya
sɛ wo kakra na
nipa no wawu awie
tie but wo awie wo bɛtɔ firi abusua mu good enti sɛ wokeka wankasa wonam wɔ so amanfo ɛbɛsuro
sam wei ɛnyɛ duabɔ ɔnkɔ wie adeɛ ɔnkɔ yɛ hwee ɛyɛ yareɛ yareɛ nso na ɛkɔ
no yɛdi kan de ahyɛ yɛadwene mu wote ase sɛ nka ɛyɛ start no ɛna sɛbi yɛhwɛ wɔ aburokyire
Panimu way, yes, when you be
good
footballer, we know not in one back, more many
maybe
what you say. But they are starting with Hassan because of said stigma now. If a be a Becca said, will be willing to know men calling change, and the young fans are starting. Sana, young fans started the beer bedroom, and ya dear will be
now that is obese.
now that is to be
Some,
Mamma Sucra show them. No,
William.
No,
Okay. Some, Mamma friend, you on a member, sir, can I say, no smash cannot yet come as a crabby amade every come say. Answer I'm penning for them who say, association no mask. And another down called Kufado, His Excellency. Our president, I'm a Tuma Bama. Matuma Bama NDC pain, Matuma Bama MPP pain. But me a gun and intimate to a bar. Me share Obia or Baba mine to Abama baby. Enti me share now or the came come out by Bedino. Me Gidia said, I be a wanted to move it to me about one gun of my Metuma
they don't come to me.
Some share say if you don't call, so I bet me a bed your minus ye. Na ama or mine off and to my wife bra. Not to my bar, I'm a glad of some me a gun and yen. Some, you may pass a making and say. Say, mpanimfoɔ yɛ adwen sɛ nkɔmɔ bɛpɛ sɛ ana ɔmbɛka kyerɛ Ghana fo sɛ yɛnhyɛ nose mask bia ɛnneɛ na nkɔmɔ yɛ ready nso sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo hunu sɛ saa ntoma yi a yɛde ayɛ nose mask yi a ebi sɛn mi kɔn mu asam ebi hyɛ wano yi ɔmo nim sɛ yɛde chemicals bi na ɛyɛ nti saa de kodeɛ na yɛde yɛ de betumi abɛyɛ harmful to yɛ immune system anasɛ nipa dua no nti saa bere no na ɛsɛ sɛ nkɔmɔ di kan ma yɛ education no dada media me come adwene so o man timi ama ya sa education no a mesere o mo se ye nya pompom ahye enti se ade na ewo mu no a abeye harmful to ye ni padua no already no metimi aka se akoye ni padua mo bi se enye enti se
ye too much
good very good anya hwe kura obesi enti anya hwe no bo mu se ade na ewo mu no kura no ebetimi afrim but some this the case a omo pa ka kire Ghana for say enipa ne bi enjan ade na pam na ye ma nipa ne bi kwan na omo nko ampam enti we na ya totɔ no
let's canon call baby
mo enti we na ya totɔ no ye ntum
adwene no
ma adwene na ma kyerɛ enti we na ye di kan atɔ no 2 no ye nkoto mu ana
because santuma ya na sebe ye dia da akuri ye ho ni na firi nkora ma ba bi oda obi oda odumpo ti na akuri no
sam ka ye wu
na wo hyem na wo nhume
sam ka ye wu enya ntoma wo ya na ye pam bi a sam wo di bi pam African wear hye wi mbato nka wu
say en fan kata ama no
mo
ba me kasa wo da
ba sam atade wo sa wo se fruit na wo di aba wo fo ana wo sa atade no a wo di wura wuti na aba wo fo so wo sa atade en fi na wo de se wo sa atade wo twa wo me ansa na wa sa na wa se sa matade bo okra wo sa na wo wura bra wo bre no onwuro wie no wa bre sam nyame pese meka nyina ne se omampani ne mpanimfo ne food and drugs authority for ayo madwen se we no omo susu se e dey harmful ebe ba ya bra bomu dia ana e dey harm ebe bre ya omo nya nose mask no no omo mfa mecheche magana fo e ba sa 2 cities ye be ja enye sa dia ene ye hye ne ya prevent ye mo afi ho so omo nya provision to data omo ka omo antum omo ye no omo ye wi a no omo ka kire be to ye gu no omo abre fofo.
Okay, we also Kumawood TV. You are doing a great job. Keep it up. Isaac from Obuasi, Kennedy, Ebaye, Obahan, but you want to prefer Monjana meeting, then we text message. We say your friend Asante Ino, want to be free Western, want to say, why is it that Ghanaians are not afraid of coronavirus? Okay, and also we say so. We say so. How many Ghanaians have gotten the coronavirus? Okay, yeah, quite any no answer. Not your phone line up, but my name called Virgin. So, me can say, idea. Hospital home, the Mao and Sheddon near to be the more, sir, nneɛma ebi yɛ atosodeɛ edi ɛne adeadeɛ na boa yɛ saa nneɛma nyinaa so yɛ ahaban it's about leaves ɛne saa nneɛma ne nyinaa so yɛ ahahan a nyankopɔn se yɛnni aduaba no yɛmfa na ahahan ɛnsa yɛ adenti na yɛmma herbal centers no kwan na ɔmo nyɛ more of wei no mma yɛnhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi akum coronavirus here.
Sam, Medasi, this particular argument, many the colleagues be a different common, and especially Tama, is it the Deputy General Secretary for the Ghana Medical Association? And Oka say or no, he will not vouch for any herbal concoction. In fact, or no, use the word concoction. When you use herbal medicine. So what kind of concoction? It sounds straight. It sounded like at the bonny bee. Thank you. It's for a toman in the power. And some mean blaming. You see, the man is a medical doctor. Okosia into orthodox medicine. He didn't learn about herbal medicine. It's in Nijidie about orthodox medicine. Medicine and brofoye. Ebi also a Ghana for no ye bi. The poku farmers, the Dani farmers, omo nyina omo ye yendro yi bi. Enti pharmaceutical medicine e na ono okosua ye. Eno na obetimi a rely on. Eno na obetimi edidi ho apart from edidi ho eno na obetimi a prescribe it to you and the home man.
Some of the orthodox medicine and I say more now so product almost so credible.
That's true. I agree.
And you know, say way ever overtake you way there. On no business and
so it is and just a straight jacket idea I bet me aka. But you see, it is a responsibility of government to allow the herbal people to prefer a certain solution to our problem. Right now, don't forget that the people who do pharmaceutical company things, they are big.
Very big.
Some doctors, they are big.
Very, very big.
They are big in the world.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, they can fight you. What about our herbal medicine people? How big are they? You see, your herbal for no, omo ye niema bi a emwa. When you say herbal medicine practitioner, bi betimi abetena TV so, or say you're a doctor. Before you become a doctor, there should be train. Okay, but ese unko training bi mu. Ansa na why say we a medical doctor.
Be a doctor.
Yeah, okay. But there's a difference, Bim. So we a native doctor. We a herbal doctor. But we can try doctor. We can doctor so obiara dream say we a medical doctor.
Big men. No, I can say we make my doctor.
Okay. Oh, I see.
No matter
I see. Okay.
Me ya bold jaka say the doctor.
Okay. It is some that was near making a kafa sa herba they only say. They have a body, they have an association. Your research into plant medicine.
Yeah.
Your omo association, herbal for no more association.
And you're strong.
And you're strong. They should not mistake. They can't fight the pharmaceutical companies. They are more stronger. Right now, they can talk.
Just talking.
Yes. But obi anywhere, you see, obi anywhere, odi herbal drug bekwa koma ban, and no government will raise that. Something that has not been proven scientifically.
Wow.
So somebody said drone be ma o se fa koma obi o yare se na fe no COVID-19.
Yeah, possible.
Amonya possible. Enya possible. Sometimes say wote ho na wa akoto herbal drug bi. Food and Drugs Authority for amano approving na ekoye ma wa.
How say obi wa dro na say ojitum.
Why ono na ejitum? Bibia ye hwehwemu.
Of course.
Do you know that drug aya here even orthodox medicine
abrochirefo aye say ebe cure COVID-19 e wo UK oma ye test na 2 weeks ni test na anye yi oma sa ko ground zero before
obi so feel say obi so feel say sa garlic jene ene akekadro ene mentia ene sa ne manema no udia e boost to immune system.
That one, it is not rocket science. Is it? It is not rocket science. Even orthodox doctors require him say garlic gives this, ahintia gives this. I know they him. That is not what we are talking about.
See, obviously say, obefa sour garlic, we akabo, e dey here do. No one no na boost immune system.
Good.
I'm a COVID coronavirus na. Virus na free.
How can you determine say
honestly
what day?
Who dey say? Who be accept it? Na dey one what dey ba.
Why may accept it?
Anya government and I say
but before government will accept it, he takes advice from medical doctors. Ishishemu. Ese ishishemu no dimu. Sometimes my father no so be herbal drug person practitioner be catch us say o wedro nipa na wanye COVID-19 or normal ebe kwa up to now ishishemu bi endedi ono na ka na se
the maybe they say and for raise concern
we can raise it
omo raise concern entino and government and be quite been to say okay say Kumasi a mo nyina mo pambra cultural center ye bie ayi wo ho fa wo de bra wo de ba ya gini nyina ya de ko ya ko fi hwem ehun se ampa okay we ya sha ebetimi aye se kakra yan try re ya dey try either aboa or whatever na ya dey try kakra ka hun se okay anya poison o di ko yin a anya poison anya o hwe na mu yan hwe se ebetimi oh when you give room for people they will come up with their solutions.
But the room is there. When they are producing their drugs for cough, any near almost a sakoko, a sawin, if I'm not thank you. Omo they call even ICRO, BBB research. Omo they can call research. Momo year research. Do you know how long that research takes? You think that when they send it, then they agree? Omo year omo research. And momo who say be okay because sometimes a drone na wonum. Adia wonum ko mu no you don't have control over it. Say glue mu an ye betimi aye. It before betimi akase o ye ma say na friend no. Adia we hu kwan say ye man crofo no mu no. E say omo gitum, e say omo run test. So they know where they have to go to. It is our person who catch say who we dre betimi asa COVID-19. Go to where you go to when you want. Who person you approve it. We draw person with this koko, with this yemtie, with this malaria ni asifo. Go to where you go to. Na catch you say me draw in there. E be COVID-19 so that they will do research on it. Eye juma. No one will say at least. Do you know that Samdakos, do you know that before a herbal drug practitioner ye ne draw one it them no the concrofo was encrofo ya nji antoma ontimi beton. Thank you. So into who say we COVID-19 withdraw, go to the right places. And you buy never invite you. I buy certain bodies. I buy certain bodies at all. One of process no. That is true. More than 3 years. That is true. But that is true.
But because of say, we a special case in.
Who say SA treating specially?
Of course, I said no one by now. To be a certain body.
Okay.
I was okay.
Almost say omo withdraw bi for COVID-19. Okay. Sam, me no be yadwin wa ha. Say maybe we should give a little bit of agency because we are not in normal times. Okay, nanka ebe bakra say o Ghana for na edika nya edra. Yeah, they treat a big money for us. So I agree with you. Say esa buying or yen in Niama say or more special treatment right now. Say yeah more herbal drugs or what who say who were drobi a bit nyasa COVID-19. mumfa mu bibia bra
I know for sure say omo makwanya yebenya adro.
I think that they should continue to make their case. They should continue to talk. Make a herbal association for me. They should come together as a body, make their case to government.
And yet confirm though, but you will have centers and you confirm of course because processor of a firm I bear approval man. To me, it is on patient bakubi, no more tears, man, dear. Nanka kanga kasa.
Come.
Raya kabo ma emu ba wi ba ko ogu ebubu na ma me na me ntwa mo 1 minute me ba ye
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Okay, your science about Kumawood TV where COVID-19 and komo na yedi me be ma homa na tum sabre obetimi afre na nkoma yedi de na opese okasa fa ho obetimi akasa ade afa ho number no na eda screen so no 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 o frame and pacho
na wama o TV volume no akọ form na metimi ene wo akasa amekọ DJ Lofty so na Heba KCC de obeka no na waka na
problem e wo ho sisi a na make a kire we ene say Ghana form penny for any health ministers no omo recognize Heba for that is the truth hwe penny for omo ti oman so yi why pa na be ka kire me say free say e wo no bepem sabre dudo wonum bida onyare ma omame enka se malaria fever achew enti me kwa kwotete anim tree na media bepum ana media no amo
menim yenya advert mo bi dia but menim doctor bi ono no yare pa this abia we say no
good
omonum bi pa
good
evening hello good evening evening tomorrow boko odi be ya permit me kata se aguna odi me di kobna agbe me kata se aguna okay kobna mara boy yo me say ampa nyenenu moya die na so yene na ba nyina yehu video bia yehu si ma say no bet na ya hunti tanda e kan watam ndi mo di virus na mo kan watam de mo di ya virus so e da mate
okay ono so ne dia no chese ye mo di ase numbers ne dia na ase omo asebe omo film dia mfo mo pictures mra na amanfo enhu se ampa asmasi ewu ye no ni body ekra ni sabi ye were foreigners ni bi kura omabewu what you say ka de me enhu sangrofo ni bi good ni enhu se ade kra no
ni pane ni on that way so
okay
nti sam say ya nya ne sa nti na me ka amana kosu say so mampani ababontia be ka say okay Heba for me so me mam kwan wa wo gidie say wo aduro bi a wo gidi say ebetimi aboa no mo modern na bra on board oba wo de kwa ye be ye nhwehwemu
hello yeah good evening okay Mr. Ma line is why I took at about fra no about modern agina so na yetimi ene wakasa 0200 603 602 0200 603 ofra ebetimi ene wo atwetwe enkomo
oh sam enti sen ka ye na nkomampani ababonte say wo ye Heba na wo gidi say wo adura ebetimi aboa bra na ye nya hwehwemu na ye testing hwe na afa ye mfa ma Ghana for obi asabi wanya infection e wo yare no a ono so betumi nya na hoto me gidi say bibi sa akoso a enka ebeboa ama Heba for no so makeka ho enam say yare bi ba ye recognize
hello
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening. We didn't baby off me free.
But I'm successfully out.
Who did you say?
And you are
okay, my auntie way.
Mbajo. Yari ano ma say e bi atie ye am to right. But come to me and say baby flag yari na tie na ye ben sa ba ni aba ye ho ba.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's a power, right? Okay. Say, yeah, can you pay for tea? Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. I'm say, yeah, can you not pay for tea? I had the near Omo de Beko Adjunjunimu. Where was it, please? Isaac from Sunyane. Nana Addo should provide us proper nose mask. Or say, your man penny. On fat nose mask no embrace okay
sam hwe yeti oni enim se K University betimi aye bibi e fe no test case e da mai but omotumi aye first no hwe a obeti yase K University traffic light bra yentumi nye ye ni amoto so wo mu so betumi aye bibi
okay I'm call home so hello good evening
That's a good evening. What do you say?
Odi ni baby offer me free.
Never told me what breakun.
Odi
Lady,
manonko.
Yo, me ba se ne ba mo program no so kaka.
Lady wo so dada.
Yo, da se ni djuma pa erade na mo so ye. Na me hia mo. Me ni DJ ya adwen. Ne na all kind of say nke owo no na obusua mu ebi no free mu no. Enko mutum the picture to ne ba. Ebe boy na edi huni stro ato yeso. Bi se be branding ni. Face mask ye si se be kranto bi. obi kura nim ne ekoso te mesre yenhwe na ye taxes ne pragia na eye adwuma no so no me amama ye hunu se dade no so wode won sabo ni ti so na wode won saka gate ne fura ogu benya bi eno so se ne ye afa ho se ye tu bibia gumo ye da ye nkwa ho hia ti ye sre yenhwe no so maye.
Okay, ebeda sepa say also audio contribution the abba we was say they said they are sharing face masks, but in Dunkwa Onofin there is no face mask sharing here, so please tell them to bring some in the central region, please. I am Ekalane from Dunkwa Onofin. The government should bring another lockdown because the case are still increasing. Okay, on also Nidia or the Abba and no Lofty.
Or the lockdown, or the lockdown, some baby moi. No, some said them what be say Garini and the Breno, and they do Kushami and Sam. And one cry and Fabian can one man who was happy Susa. Okay, so the best thing I said, Bonho Banyi.
Hello, good evening.
Johnson, cassette. Okay,
Johnson, Mananque.
Contributions are trying to we come with you for now, we are more than a garden in Islam. But we process the Papa program concerning herbal medicine. I've made the Obitu Abiyabi Sua, Emma Abiyabi Papa or
okay.
For example, a man woman is it is a worker to be a yeah, what being every honor from Wire and two, the point here person you chemical drugs, any herbal drugs, which we are benefit. Meaning, Indiana, Indiana, the difference the woman said. They call a chemical drugs here, there will be chemicals here, and look around the positive cry.
Okay.
And so what they the Ghana government, any other doctors are recognizing herbal medicine. And can you make them after chemical drugs and chemical and the problem can cry what we say. The theater will be what herbal medicine. So we are school or herbal medicine. And the market room, what you renew your answer, what you need to attract you. How much more say your person, director of they say director be that person, only also herbal medicine, maybe about also chemical drugs. Brother, I really a woman say, Anka, you bet to me, how my friend said, yeah, can you say? We are practicing herbal medicine. Now we see this antivirus. I'm not being that's here boost immune system. I don't think I'm buying what they're trying to say. You buy you. It is the care. It is the normal. As well as the amount of buying position instantly. Yeah, or more young the chemical gas. That's the way the treatment. Nini na ye flyer and no more than and I walk by medicine. Nika Westia name is the way, poison will make a kulupa. The way poison in the wire and the copia. Near poison in the moon in a day. I will. And to me, some about the medicine. What we are your poor and never have our medicine. And then my bedroom, you have black. Okay. I'm so tired about to recognize this. To be bad, young people, no, not young people, other chemical drugs or herbal drugs, not young head able to be abua, not they are buying the point or things have said, not routine to kill the dinner papa, that will be a year. No more are buying this, a young emergency, nothing to be emergency. Now young head able to be an age,
and so that's a part and your contribution out there about where you Kumawood TV update. Hello. Hello. Okay, what's over to me at the word dear Abba 0200 603 602 0200 603
602 what the bar na one so the wajen traba lofty the only shows are binding there a binding as a nation there may sure say your jitum say herbal medicine but a beer or more a bind their show monsa say mon shaso na bia mo na bia amo mafia
a bind kasano catch obi a omo di adwuma ma no because a bind no on na di adwuma e hye wonsa it is a bind ba wonti no catch no say we for herbal for no some ade e be ye friend na ye ni jepa no say e ka wiase nyina ye pe yare we ya no do now betini say Ghana herbal medicine
ka yetimi nya no kura na ye dia kill yan crofo
some can no correct me is your mind because enka e be produce e dromo am wiase afana nyina enka wo be hu employment kwa
okay yenye enkrato sima ba ko ye ba ye beto aso
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe.
Okay, yes, I'm Kumawood update so and I did every way. Yentimi fa afrefo ni bi yemre no anya ye bi anisa. DJ Lofty. Now do I no see now the ufana west nyina
okay. And some me dem no see no. Me ka kire omampani say yare HIV by na Ebola so e by na yabenya yare e fe no coronavirus. According to Crofobicra according to Crofobicra no say yare no foforo kra no den chen we eba. Enti ne na make kan say nke be ye ni gie sam e be ye ni gie pa say the whole world na yesi coronavirus yenya ehudro e wo man konkon Ghana e the employment e beba e be san ama the whole world I recognize o man konkon Ghana na o kene bi no yare foforo bi ba o mo san hwe ni mu say Ghana for enso nya nhwehwemu na ye hwe say yare we ya ba no eno se benya ho adura na me gidi ye se ne China for eji omo herbal medicines na etum na omo mfa ni agro no se how so ye ma ni akoye herbal medicines no ho a sam me gidi ye pa se ye betimi anya yare ahodo a eba ye kase eni ho adu no ye so ye betimi anya ho adu ha because ene nkrofo e cure HIV pa enye se agudie ebi mu ye adwuma nti ye boy herbal for no abaso na ya sere mo se bibi sei ba omo so pekuo bi na omo join ne na omo fo masem koto mpanifo anim na me gidi ye se omampani ya kan wa hai ono so behwe no ordinary akọ herbal for
okay DJ Lofty radio presenter ewo Kumasi 104.1 FM ono ana motie ne nka no yenko Virgin one so my final words.
Yo Sam sesia na menya unconfirmed news bi say owo no cra 5 bia sabe count
after
16 no
5 as I become
unconfirmed confirm ye ntino na make us unconfirm but owo no 5 bia be count unconfirmed, so that we'll be on the good side. But ebeba be ka ho. Me fa we so aka kire etiefo say.
Wow.
Enya agro na yare no obedi. Enya agro. Yare etimi eku America for over 5,000, 50,000. Omunye wo hwie.
Yare tia ne di.
Wona wo skache America. Wona wo skache UK and as a British Spain and as a Germany. Etimi sre. Ye kana unjindi no. Enye se Sam Darkus oni ni ode ne time be ye.
Oh.
Eno ama ye abetena ha. Saka woni hwe kro be bonyum.
Oh.
Obeyi movies.
Oh.
Wo yi movies nti ya na mehwe.
Ka mo gym.
Ka wo gym. But wo pe o mani ye nti na wa ya betena ha ye ka ho asem. Nti mesra wo a wo hwe ye wo fie. Wo nose mask no mani hia wo.
Wow.
Wo seminar na wo de room san mani hia wo. Wo nsuo no under running water mani hia wo. Sa nneɛma na ye se o mampani se ye mfa mbɔ ye ho ba no mani hia wo. Okɔ abonte a ped nose mask bi na fa bɔ ho ban. Na omu wu no enye numbers o ye hu nye fenchon eya na ye tese nipa 16 ye na ye feel say numbers. We think they are just numbers.
Sometimes what do you say sika figures
behind the numbers
100,000
yo some behind the numbers behind the numbers nipa. So you see nipa 16 ewu enye 16 no nipa na ewu. Eti mesrew
ba kokora wu a
yasem obi ebusuani no enye won wan so obi fra brochire ba ye mbu ne bio
da bi
o kasa woni hwan na abekasa wo fri woni hwan na abekasa wo fri Italy na aba wo fri Italy
Italian burger
ba enye wo kwade nka ye go utuo kwa ate nyama sisa.
No, I think it's about time. Obi kura free Accra back Kumasi.
Eso we check no because in crime now coronavirus no as we di in wo.
Serious.
And na nyame wanwa. Time I am lockdown nyina na crime for nam beach.
Yeah.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Now Bukom Banku no nam ne area mu no frefre guys la. Inse also meko she dem no. Ade o say e dan ba kun single room nipa 15 e dem. What you mean iti enyame wanwa.
Yeah.
But Kumasi dey so increase I increase it to about 82.
Yeah.
Iti ye hwe ye hu yi. Mesrew. Bon hu ban. Ehia. O therefore enye for anything crowd dey bon hu ban ma wo ma ne we busuafo.
Okay.
Iti ni ame de make atwa to ano.
Okay. Virgin Prince and so a radio presenter Kumasi 104.5 FM. Omo and on boy and my Jumadi a course so. Nyankopon ya adom ochran so ye besan so ene mo ahia na ye kwei na ye ko sister Loretta ono na wo VTR na MCR na Augustina so wo VTR omo engine room ho a omo bo adwuma ye papa Kobe Frank na achinchim ye cameras no ade ema ye na Ben enso ye PR papa AJ Hipsy and also a producer at the MIA. Ochinozo, the only one in Ghana, and also a production manager. Midday at the Samuel Kwabena Dako, aka Sam Dakus. Yanko Ponye Yadomwa, Ochina, Yebasanso, Asia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.